Hello, good people of the internet. How's it going? We are back with another banger. We're back with another stream. God knows what will happen in the stream, so stay tuned. I don't know what we're doing in these streams anymore. We're just coding some shit and then having fun, I guess. And yeah, say hi in the chat. Feel free to troll me in the chat. Doesn't really matter. I have a very thick skin that your words can pierce, so let's go everybody. Let's see your skills. What are we doing today? I don't know. We're gonna take a look at some Rust code. We're gonna do some coding, and hopefully I won't get stuck like yesterday, because yesterday was super intense. I got stuck with some issue, and then I felt like everybody was watching me, and then I was just coding something, and then it was a weird feeling. I gotta be honest with you. 2 people already watching. Say hi in the chat. Don't lurk. This is not a place to lurk. All right. I want to know you. I wanna know who you are, where you from. And while I'm doing something, I don't really need to tell this in every stream, but feel free to interrupt me, ask questions, change the topic, whatever. I'm happy to be distracted. We're just chilling out here, so it's not really something structured. It is structured, but depends on what I'm doing. If I'm too serious, then don't leave the stream, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to be too serious in these streams. Hi from Australia. Hey, moderate Chungus. How's it going? Do you write Rust, and are you coming to Eurorust? No, that was in Austria, not Australia. Are you gonna what was it? There was another Rust conference in Australia. What was it? I kind of forgot. Anyways, do you write Rust? What do you write? Java? That was not a like insult, by the way. I'm just asking. So how was your day? It was alright. Worked on some stuff, maintenance, booked some hotels and flights for conferences. You know, that's my life now, man. That's just the rich life, you know. I booked some private jet, you know, and like some mansions and shit. So yeah, and then doing sports, chilling. What else? I don't know. Talking to people, I guess. That's part of the job. LinkedIn. I know it's cringe, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's hustle, you know. Anyways, I write YAML. There you go. You write YAML. What do you mean? Do you like do Kubernetes stuff? I'm sorry in advance. How was your day, by the way? Why Zimon? How you doing? Man, I don't really remember my day, to be honest, because I took a nap like an hour ago, so my memory just got reset, you know. When you take a nap, that's the perfect part. Like your memory is and everything is just resets. DevOpsy things, yeah, gotcha. Do you write Go then? Probably. Sorry. No Rust, huh? I try to bring Rust to a lot of DevOps companies, and I failed each time. They just like Go for some reason. Dealing with some issues on DevOps side, but it's part of it. Yeah, okay, gotcha. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna write some Rust today, and then maybe I can also take a look at some maintenance issues, and I want to play a game. I'm not gonna tell which game. It's not Gary's mod. I want to be a bit nostalgic, so stay tuned for that. It's probably gonna happen at the end of the stream, or maybe if I get bored very quickly, I can just do it now. But yeah, I've been doing rustlings. That's mostly it. I know more, but not much Python. All right. Rustling is good, man. It's good practice. I should give it a try too. I swear I've gone through rustlings 10 times and never made it to the end. I never started, bro. I'm in a worse situation than you. You're doing fine. At least you started and then you worked on it. I never. Alright, I don't wanna confess too much things here. You know, in one stream I said I didn't read Rust book. Another stream I said I never did Rustlings. What's next? I'll probably say I never write Rust or something. That's not true, by the way. I did. I mean, I'm gonna do now, in case you doubt my skills. We're gonna make it happen, guys. Everyone will make it happen. Alright, so during game you'll turn on your backlights on. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be like a gamer stream. So what am I doing today? I'm just gonna continue where I left off. I realize I don't really code during the day that much these days. So I'm not sure if it's a good thing. I don't wanna get rusty, you know? Well, no pun intended, of course. But yeah. Free browser one soon. Time to come out of the Golang closet. My bro is going out of the closet. Props to him. I thought it was Zig closet, by the way. By the way, are you preparing for push-ups or 1000 subs? Yes. I am going to the gym every day, training for that. And I can do like 15 right now without stopping, you know? In one go, I can do like 15 push-ups. I think it's not bad. I know the technique for it. So I got you, bro. We'll make it happen, don't worry. I'll get another cam which will just show me on the ground, so no cheating, no nothing. I'm gonna make it happen, dude. It's gonna happen, don't worry. Web browser TUI when it's on my list. So guys, funny thing, I have a list of topics that I haven't announced that I will be working on stream, and git-cliff-tui is one of them, right? I actually posted this on my sponsors only Discord, and got some feedback, and I need to like polish this a bit more and then you publish it. So web browser TUI is one of them, don't worry. I'll get to it, but I'm pretty occupied with these stuff for now. But we're gonna make it happen. So all right. What the hell I was doing yesterday? I kind of made this thing scroll right. It was working. Now today, first of all, why does it take so much time to generate the changelog? Like, I don't think this is true. Okay, I'm gonna try some. All right, now we're talking, man. All right, so we can scroll this. It's working. Don't worry, I didn't break it. You know that I spent so much time on this yesterday, so just want to let you know that it's still working. And what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna actually add another key binding, which will... Alright, now that I think of it, I want to edit this in the editor, but I probably need to change the event handling a bit for that. For example, alright, I'm trying to... Alright, I got another app actually, which I can just copy the code from. So key input disabled. I'm just gonna copy this shit over here. It's basically the same code. I mean, I wrote the same code over and over again. It's kind of a shame, because I should probably create a library at this point for all of this, but anyways, you learn from your mistakes, I guess. It's not a mistake, but you know, whatever. All right, Yeah, just gonna copy over some stuff. By the way, as always, ask any questions or say anything you want in the chat. You don't have to watch me do this. I know it's boring sometimes, especially when I'm stuck. I'm trying my best to show off here with my NeoVim skills and then Rust skills, but sometimes I fail. It's fine, we are human, right? I mean, I am not a human, but you know, y'all are human. Freaking peasants watching me. Okay, sorry. How do we stop the stream again? All right. Some of y'all in the chat wishing me to write Zig right now, but not gonna happen, bro. Still got some way to go for that. Is it me or I see you using the mouse? I'm not, dude. I'm not using the mouse. All right. You know what? I have a mouse, but all right, I'm gonna just center it, right? So you'll see it's not moving. If it moves, I'm gonna do one push-up. Okay, maybe that was too hard, but no. Okay, it's not moving. It's not moving. All right. If she doesn't appreciate you when you're live coding, she doesn't deserve you when you're memeing. Who's she? I thought woman was just some hoax. It was just a psyop or something. I don't think women really exist, like at least in my world. So yeah, but I'm not sure what you're referring to by saying she, because okay, that will, let's not talk about this. All right. Oh, okay, not moving the mouse. Wear dress when you feel lonely. That's my, did I say that? Probably yes. That sounds like something that I would have said. Okay, just gonna move the mouse a bit. Yeah, I got the freedom, right? I should be fine. Key input disabled. I like these Andrew Tate and Rust crossovers. I think they're fine, funny, you know, but some people think that I'm actually serious while saying those things, you know, and they're pretty much right. I've been super serious. If you're lonely, try Rust, and then you'll feel more lonely, probably. Just a good feeling. What am I doing? Ordering. I'm just gonna use the mouse, man. I feel out of my element while I'm using the mouse, but I literally have mouse support in this too. Like you can hover and then click and then it works like that. It's just super cringe, I know. But you know, some people like to use mouse. I don't see how you can maintain Ratatouille and a whole other bunch of stuff and saying that what you say about women is a joke. Wait, are you doing meta irony or something? Are you serious, or are you doing irony, or are you trying to make me feel like you're actually serious but not serious? What, you're making me super confused, man. I mean, are you saying that women would be attracted to what I'm doing, or what, or the opposite? I feel like it's the opposite, but whatever. You said happiness comes from writing Rust. If you're not happy single, then you're not happy taken. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. That's the whole mindset of this thing. Did I just miss some major drama? Does it sound like that? I don't know if I feel like maintenance takes all of the time. Yeah. It is, bro. It is. It's kind of overwhelming at times. No time for dating, but it's fine. I'm dating with Rust right now. It sounds super cringe. Wow, I never imagined myself saying that out loud. Oh no, are we getting cancelled? Speedrun. Guys, did I say something wrong? Like, don't cancel me, please. Or if you're gonna cancel me, at least like give me 2k Twitter followers. Like I'm okay with that, because you know, what's the point of getting cancelled if you're not getting any interaction on internet? You know, that's the whole strategy these days. Sorry about it. It is true. It is true. If I'm getting cancelled, at least give me my followers. And all right, that's just making things worse, right? Yeah, I have you guys. That's all I needed. I don't want to get cancelled, please. How do I get the value from this? By the way, I got a question. Do you guys think that I should stream on Twitch? What are the thoughts on that? Because I might do it. Just let me know. Do you like use Twitch first of all? Because I never used Twitch. Like I know how it is, how it works, but I'm not sure. Twitch has more audience, so it's a no-brainer. But then we all have like more people, I guess. I'm not saying 1,000 people will watch me on my streams, but I'm not sure. How is the audience is another question. Like, are they good people? Are they toxic or what? Like, how many people actually watch like small sized programmers, streamers, programmers, whatever? Hello, Emre. I don't know if it's a pain to set up, then it might not be worth it. I'm not sure. I haven't checked it out actually. Maybe it's not a pain. Maybe it is. I was thinking there should be some service which I can just send my stream to, and then they will stream on Twitch and YouTube just for me, and then I'll get the comments on just one website and it will be just over or something. But if it's not a thing, then I might not really do it, because that means that I gotta stream separately on YouTube and Twitch, because I want to stream on both of those platforms. Guys, I want to stream on LinkedIn. Come on. No one is doing it, you know. There's like an opportunity there, you know. You know, streaming on LinkedIn, or like maybe streaming on X, you know. Just getting all the attention of the boomers, you know what I'm saying? Like that might be something. Daniel Stenberg does curl release presentations on Twitch, so it's possible. Interesting. I'm kind of curious now. Daniel Stenberg Twitch. Curl hacker. Alright. Cool name. That's not him. Oh, that's him. All right. Recent broadcast. They call streams broadcasts, but he's like already famous, so he doesn't really care about the platform, right? I'm not saying that I'm not famous, you know, but I'm obviously famous. But he's like, I don't know why he chose Twitch over YouTube. Why is he presenting like something? Is it like, okay, it's a live thing. All right, I get it. It's fine. Guys, I just want to say it. All right. Imagine this guy being your grandpa or something. You could be like a legendary programmer. I mean, if this guy's grandsons are not programmers, they're just missing a whole lot of opportunity, like, because this guy has like a lot of knowledge about a lot of shit. I would be happy to just have a chat with him one day. Maybe I'll run into him at some conference or something. We'll see. There are some services that do that. I know Restreambot, alright. I will check it out. There's also like StreamYard or something, which I think also does that. Your professor will see that. I thought we agreed on it yesterday. Yeah, I don't want my professor to see my streams because I talk a lot of shit. Restream seems good for multi-streams. Okay, restream. Interesting. Let's see. Create a multi-stream live video. Do I have to pay for this as well? Oh, just go live and then you can go live on Facebook. I mean, no one is doing it, you know. No, is anyone writing Rust on a live stream on Facebook? Like, there's a market opportunity right there. Like, if I stream on LinkedIn and Facebook, you know, I got like boom, like 1,000 fucking followers on a day, like 1,000 people watching me. They're like, what is Rust? Because nobody knows. Like, people on Facebook probably they probably still writing Delphi or something. Sorry, that was kind of harsh. And I want to maintain curl package on Debian someday. Debian packaging is hard, bro. Like, it's a pain. But if you want that, of course you can do it. Just stick to it and grind for it every day. I guess he likes to live. He likes the live aspect of it. Yeah, he presents every release of. Oh, that's fun. I don't know that. On Twitch there are some categories: software and development improves the discoverability. You can just see everyone doing programming on stream. Yeah, but is it really increasing the discoverability if you can see everyone? Like, are there a lot of people then, or what? Like, if you like have thousands of people streaming at the same time, like, how do you like discover people? Like, I don't know. I mean, I looked for like Rust streams on YouTube and there wasn't a lot of people doing it, so that's why I was like, I saw a market opportunity, you know, as always. Yes. But I'm gonna check it out. What's next? Live stream on Craigslist or some shit? Craigslist has a live streaming option? The hell? Like, are you serious? That's not something real. But if it was, I mean, that's another market opportunity, if you know what I'm saying. Like, you go live on Craigslist, you get all the crackheads' attention, you get all the drug addicts, you get like all the freaking homeless people. You know, there are a lot of homeless people. That's a problem. But okay. You start to keep chat open for 30 streams. That sounds like a business opportunity. Yeah. Everything is a business opportunity at this point. Like, what are the ChatGPT. What are the most obscure platforms to stream on programming? Let's see, guys. Yes, I mean, of course, I just ask you, okay. DLive, PeerTube, Vimeo Live. All right, Vimeo Live, bro. Vimeo Live, it's gonna be the next thing. You're gonna stream on Vimeo. Just gotta. All right. My internet cut off for a second, you know. When I clicked on Vimeo, my internet provider didn't like that, so they were like, the fuck is this guy doing? And then they just cut off my internet. But now we're back. Live streaming simplified. Look at this guy, so happy because he streams on Vimeo. Alright guys, that I feel like okay, whatever. Oh shit, of course, Rust TikTok's top cringe, but also top bit. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, dude. Like, Rust talks, Rust TikTok. I don't think we'll get Rust related things on this hashtag. It's just a game, right? God damn it, dude. Rustlang, let's see Rustlang. 500 TikToks, alright. Who's making TikToks for Rust? That's literally the game, not the language. That's also the game. Like, all right, this is a shithole, man. I'm gonna close that tab. Everything is a business opportunity. You gotta find your audience. You never know. Maybe you're gonna find your audience on like Facebook or some shit. Like, you know, maybe your grandma will someday saw you streaming and she will be like, all right, maybe I should write Rust too. And yeah, you know how it is. All right, so I just realized how am I supposed to wait on main. Do I use ratatouille init or something? Init? Yeah, I use ratatouille init. So how am I supposed to... Wait, is like editing with editors a good idea at all? You know what, I'm just not gonna implement that. It's gonna be a lot of work and no one will use it. I'm gonna rage quit this. John Zen said does some of the best deep dive Rust streams out there. Yeah, I know. Right, I kinda didn't like what I was doing, so I kinda reset my progress. Alright, we are back at the very start now. What were we doing exactly? You might be asking. I don't know. So how about I'm gonna go here, run the list. I'm gonna actually have another function there. Render settings. Or maybe it doesn't have to be in there. I can just I'm gonna add another function here first of all, and then I want to split the layout. It's gonna be some like so what I want to do is I'm gonna percentage 80 and 20 80-20, and it's gonna be 0 and 1, and render settings will be the second layout in there. Insider is going crazy. What are the next class for that? Collect my money and move to Madagascar and then just chill there with monkeys. Well, there are a lot of issues in the repo. I want to fix them. So maintenance stuff. Also want to add like disassembly features, Windows support, macOS binary support, and so on. Like there are a lot of plans. I wrote a blog post about this actually. Where is it? I don't know if you saw the blog post, but it's in the website. And if you scroll down, there's like a list of issues that I want to fix. So I look for contributors. If you're interested, go ahead, please. I think we already discussed this before. The other day I saw that you made a post on LinkedIn that said Rust is an easy language. Was this a diss to me? Because those days I said that I was struggling. Actually, I didn't say it was easy. I said it was straightforward, and it was a diss to people who say Rust is a simple language, because I would just want to have like, just want to say that it's straightforward and have like kind of a blurred lines there, and it was just a joke. But I really believe that's simple. No, it's straightforward. It's not simple. All right. But yeah, I think when you just get started, it might be a little problematic, but after some time you'll make it happen. The feel when I open a zig bin with insider and but zig doesn't even link to libc, suffering from success. Hell yeah. Zig doesn't link to libc. Go zig go. Let's explore Madagascar in Google Maps in incognito. Funny thing, I actually looked at flights to Madagascar yesterday. Don't ask why. It was 1 a.m. I was just bored and I was like, let's go to Madagascar tomorrow. How much is it, and is it really far? It turns out it's not that far, and it's actually affordable. I just doxed myself, but anyways guys, it's fine. Everyone knows that I live in Ankara. That's fine. So where is it? It's right there somewhere. Not Taiwan. Where is it, dude? Indonesia. Okay, I'm just gonna actually search for it. My map knowledge is not... Oh, okay, it was on the other side. All right. I already told you I'm not good at map shit. All right, so from here to here, it's like 900 bucks just the flight, and then you get a hotel there and chill there. So I'm like, I really want to go there. Like that's my plan, dude. For real. Like look at the prices, it's like nothing. And also the whole city looks like shit, dude. Like sorry if any Madagascarians watching this, but it doesn't really look that great to me. At least it's historic a bit, but looks hella strange. But either way, I think it's visitable. Oh, look at the dog. Look at the dog right there. And I don't know how to pronounce this. I have no idea still. It's Antananarivo. They have like some kind of a spelling thing going on there with the 2 syllables. It's kind of a flex. But yeah. They got some cows, you know what I'm saying? They got the half finished building and shit. Like they doing some cool shit over there, man. Some historic buildings and shit. Like, oh, look at the view. But I really want to go there. Like that's the gist. Like I want to, dude. I want to move there actually. Live there for the rest of my life. Fuck this part of the world, man. This is the real shit. Like this is where I want to be. This is where I want to die. You know? Yeah, I wanna be in where I want to be. Okay, let's see. Let's find somewhere that sounds cool. This is literally like everywhere is like a swamp or something. Like it's just freaking water. But I mean, if you look at the pictures on the internet, they look super. All right, now this is all right. You got me. That's the real reason that I want to go there. All right, that's the real reason. Like I want to see these guys. All right, that's the only reason. Africa. How much by rowboat? I don't know. Why flight? Let's go on a boat. All right, that's another challenge. I might do it, but you know, I gotta do like go from here, or where do I go, bro? There's no boat connection. I gotta go from there, I guess, like, and then just freaking go YOLO on the fucking blue sea, whatever, Indian Ocean. I mean, that's if I'm going by boat, I gotta build my boats from scratch. So I gotta first get going, bro. Collect some planks, woods and shit, and then build my boat, and then compile it from source and start sailing. It will take some time, but we'll make it happen. Just run fast, bro. I mean, there's no place to freaking run. Like, it's literally on the ocean. It's the island. If I can like figure out how to run on water, maybe that would work. I love watching them too. I also want to go there for some reason watching that cartoon. I mean, this cartoon just freaking it's the like the biggest promo for Madagascar. I mean, if I literally like put the name of the country and this just came up, you know. But these guys, I want to see these guys, or I want to get some merch. Madagascarians probably doesn't give a shit about these little motherfuckers, but it's fine. It's fine. I mean, I want to go there either way. There was a documentary about a remote village in Madagascar that wasn't visited by anyone for hundreds of years. I want to go there, dude. I want to go there and teach them Rust. Got you right there. And the author just noticed it's spring upon Google Map images. Wow. Okay. I mean, imagine just living here, dude. Like, there is no freaking Google images there. Like, no one went there probably. Okay, Saint Augustine, Madagascar. Let's see. It's just bushes and like forest. Like nothing special. But this view, man. Oh my god, this is ocean. Like, little guy over there chilling, probably thinking about how to do memory layouts in Rust and some shit like that. I don't know. This guy is like chilling over there too. Like they probably have good internet too. I mean, I hope so. This guy is like probably naked or something, or I don't know. It's fine. These people are just chilling, you know. Lola distracted, you go back to your nah, bro. This is what we're gonna do from now on. Alright, whatever. But it was fun. We're gonna make that happen. Alright. I'm gonna write a blog post about it, so stay tuned. I might go tomorrow or something. It's actually surprisingly cheap. Like, I was expecting it to see some like, I don't know, 2k, 2 bands or something, 2 bags, but it's like $900, so not a big deal, you know. I'm thinking if there are any Rust conferences in Madagascar, if there isn't any, we gotta do that thing. We gotta make that happen, you know. Imagine becoming the guy who bring Rust to Madagascar, chilling on the boat with a naked guy. No homo though. Like, that's just how it is, you know. Alright, so what I want to check out right now is that I have a design for this on Figma. I know it sounds super professional, but it's not. I actually wanted to create a website for git-cliff at some point, like for the web app, and in there I have some ideas. So I want to steal some of the ideas for the TUI. If you want to build this website, by the way, hit me up. I'm really, like, I don't have any web experience. I just want to build this thing. But I simply want to have something like this over here. You know, so that you can like tweak some settings or something. But I'm not sure how can I like map this thing, because I want to like, should I add like a text field or something, or you know, it's not going to be like check mark or anything, because there's nothing like that in terminal. I'm thinking, or maybe I can just add stuff here, so when you press U, it's gonna regenerate for unreleased changes, and then you wanna filter comments or conventional comments, it's just gonna, you know, press C or something. But these are like all configurable in this file, so we can only configure the stuff that are available in the command line. So what can we do? I guess unreleased is one of them. Latest is another one. Yeah, let's add unreleased actually. I don't want to have this box over here. I don't think, I didn't like it. Today, for some reason, I cannot really make anything happen. Just for some reason getting distracted and then taking a look on like Madagascar images and shit. It's fine though, I love it. That's the whole point of the streaming. But is there any other countries that you guys wanna like visit or something? Is there any dream countries? Because I mean I'm pretty done with Europe. Like I've been to most of the countries there, and after some point they all feel the same, and I'm looking for suggestions like Madagascar or Hong Kong or whatever. Like do you guys have any ideas, any places that we can spread the word of Rust, you know, doing the God's work basically? Anything like that, let me know. Georgia, like a car trip around. Yeah, actually, not a bad idea. Yeah. Never been there. What's the deal with Georgia? Like, what's famous there? I don't know. It doesn't have to be famous for anything, but you know, just curious. Have you been there? By the way, Transistor, are you in? I don't want to dox you in the stream, but were you in Poland somewhere? Feel free to not say it, by the way. I want to expose your location. I'm gonna create a settings struct. Have you already visited Saudi? Skydiving, I want to do. I've been to, no, I haven't. I've been to Dubai, which is like a weird ass place. It almost felt unreal. Like, I'm not saying that in a good way. It was just super rich. Of course, you know, since I'm super rich, I gotta check out the super rich places, but Dubai was kind of weird. Like, for some reason, people just spending a lot of money on things, which I don't like. But I've never been to Saudi. Do you think, like, Transhistoric, do you think I should visit Poland? Like, is there any good stuff over there? I don't know much about it, sorry. Is Poland in Europe? Alright, that was a stupid question, sorry. I'm gonna move over these things. These are basically booleans, right? So I'm gonna... Oh wait, how am I running git-cliff here? Arguments. Okay, state arguments. Wait, I don't really... Today feels like I'm just writing some code and then I'm undoing everything. I just realized the quicker way of doing this, so I don't really have to add another struct here over there. So I'm gonna go here on unreleased, right? And when I press U, where is it? What happened to the music? I think Polish will be a barrier there, probably not Google Translate. Alright, yeah, I think we're chill. But again, language struggles are there in Europe too. Contrary to popular opinion, we do have electricity and speak English decent enough. How's the Rust adoption in Poland? That's like a huge criteria when it comes to traveling for me. You know, if there's not a lot of Rust, because people there, like, if there are like no crabs, what's the point of going there? You know what I'm saying? So you gotta let me know about that. Unreleased, going to switch that shit. Date orgs, unreleased. Alright. That was actually easier than I was expecting. And I'm gonna make it like this, so unreleased. Shit jobs like everywhere, but I guess there are some local conferences and meetups. Are you not active in there? Are you saying you're not active? Why are you not active in Rust, bro? Are you doing Zig stuff instead? But if there are like some like local stuff or like any meetups, I would love to be there, I guess, because one thing better than traveling is that is basically traveling for a purpose. So if I would be able to go there and also you know, give a talk or something, or like do some workshop or something, that's like even better. So would love to do that one day if possible, you know. I like traveling with a purpose. I don't like vacations because of that. Vacations feels like waste of time. Sorry to say it, it's kind of a hot take, but you know, for me at least, if I'm going on vacation, I want to do something productive first, and then maybe chill for a day or half of a day, and then that's it. Like, I don't want any more than that. I don't want to go to some place and chill for a fucking week or something. That's a lot. Are jobs shit or the whole corporate drama that comes with it? Good question. Definitely no Rust jobs save for some crypto scam. Alright, if there are crypto scams, that means there should be some Rust jobs at least. By the way, I just made this happen, so when I press U, you get the unreleased part. So that works. We made it, guys. Also, I wanna do the same for latest flag, so gonna be some like latest, but I already use L for, do I use L? Yeah, I use it. God damn it. You know what, for the sake of having L for latest, I'm gonna remove the Vim key binding. Sorry, I'm really sorry, but maybe Shift and H will be better there, because L should be latest, or maybe Shift and L, Shift L, or maybe Control L. No, Shift L will be better. All right, so some like, if modifiers is Control, I'm gonna scroll, but if it's not, then tweak the latest and regenerate the change. Man, this was actually easier than I was expecting. I don't know why I was struggling there. Where are you from? Why Zimon? If you wanna dox yourself, feel free to do so. I feel like you might be from Germany. I have that feeling for some reason. Maybe it's because your name kind of sounds like Simon, you know? Because I know like at least 2 Simons from Germany at this point. So yeah. Let us know if you want to expose yourself. If not, that's fine. I remember some like you do some security stuff. Maybe you don't want to expose yourself. I mean, it's fine, but you know, our friendship will be highly affected by that. So, you know, our super important friendship. Okay, latest is also working now. Okay, one other thing. What happens if I enable latest and enable unreleased? Alright. Or we'll remember this. I have a memory of a elephant. By the way, I just realized this is really bad. If the UI is small, you don't get all the flags over there, so maybe it would be nice to have another layout. Just in case, you know, your terminal is super small, we can maybe probably move them over there somewhere. But for now, I'm just gonna go with it. Auto load copy. Okay, what else can I tweak? What else can I tweak over here? Unreleased latest bumped version. That requires some input from users, so I'm gonna skip that. Context, no. What happens actually if I try to use the context over here? Like, does it just... Okay, it just gives you the context. I don't know what else to add here, to be honest. Any ideas, anyone? Tag pattern. These are all command line arguments that should be given by the user before the execution, so I cannot really tweak anything at real time over there in the TUI. Bumped version, latest, current. Maybe current will be another good one. No tag exists for the current commit. What do I have in here actually? Top order, split commits, filter commits. Okay, these are all like config stuff. Actually, current would be another option. I don't like the red color over there. I feel like red is a bit looking like an error, so I'm gonna change it to yellow. Yellow. I keep forgetting, is there an easy way to git-cliff just for a single version? What do you mean, like just for a single version? What do you mean? Like, give me a change for we, what? Yeah, it's possible, but you need to do it from the command line. So you gotta do some like, you know, v whatever, and then dot, and then the next version. So it will generate the changelog for this range, basically. Actually, red was okay. I don't know why I changed it to yellow. One other thing, maybe I can need some constants for colors there. Yeah, you're right, Josh. But for now, we're just YOLOing, I guess. So I'm gonna go there. I guess I'm gonna wait. C is already used for copying. I'm not sure if current is being used at all. Like I don't get like any use cases for it, to be honest, and I don't see anyone using it. So I think latest and unreleased will be enough for now, I guess. And yeah, I think this is good to go, like, to be honest. You can scroll the markdown, you get the changelog, you can tweak stuff. What else do you want, right? Hey, can I ask a favor? I'm preparing a release of Bone. I'd like some feedback on the attributes API. I'd like to review an example struct declaration, hear what you think seeing it. Sure, can you send me a link? I'm not sure if you can send links on the chat, but it should be possible, I guess. Alright, this was actually easier than I was expecting, so I'm gonna add these stuff. Support tweaking arguments. Sent a link to the gist. I don't really see that for some reason. Where do you send it? In the chat? Because I don't really see that. I mean, if I had to guess, they don't allow links in the chat. I still don't see it, by the way. Maybe try sending me on another platform, like, I don't know, Twitter, LinkedIn, something, Mastodon, email, send me on facebook.com maybe. I would happily check it out, because I cannot see it on the chat right now. I'm not sure what else to add to this, to be honest. Yeah, or just send just ID, that also works. Email. I literally said Facebook, and you didn't say like anything about Facebook, and you're saying boomer to email. Facebook is worse. Facebook is like certified boomer. Email is boomer. All right, that's acceptable. But Facebook is like, you know, everyone stopped using it and you're still using it. That's a problem. Like, email is not like that, you know. Memo link along with $5. Hell yeah. Okay, it's just GitHub and then this. Let's see. Firefox. All right. Code review, everybody. Login. So what is this? Again, let me read it. Struct declaration. All right. So example. You get a macro. You have a builder. All right. Okay, what is explicit? Is it just doing this? Or maybe why, like, I don't get the relationship between explicit and maybe. Can't omit the call to the setter if you want a default to be set. Something for members of type. Oh, overwritable makes sense. Looks good. I'm not really sure about the maybe stuff though. What do you guys think? Is there like already documentation for this? Explicit. I guess this is not released, right? And can I find the optional members? Okay. I mean, overall I like it too. I think it's super understandable and it's quite cool. I want to try it out for myself though. I don't have an use case for Bone right now, but I always keep it the back of my head. But yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, approved. And default, like setting defaults is nice here. Maybe you can like, wait, I feel like this is a bit like, so is this like a, is this supposed to be the type here? Like, can I like call functions here? Is that possible? Like, is it like, you know, default, call some function, get the return value and then set it as default? Is that possible? Okay. Also, I really like this. I think this has a lot of potential, but again, is it possible to give it like a maybe trait or some function over here? Because maybe you will have something more complex. Like instead of just this, maybe you wanna, I don't know, something like that. You can pass any expression to default, even a function. That's awesome, man. I like it. And how do you handle errors here? Does this return any error like this build thing? Or is this like checked at compile time? Or how does this work? I would have a tray for extending the bullet. That's nice. Check that compile time, okay. Nice. You can't omit required members or want to compile. That's super cool, man. I'm thinking, I need to try this out for myself to give you like more feedback. But for now, I think this looks really good. I'm not really familiar with these things, so at first they seemed a bit out of place for me, but they look okay actually. So yeah, I actually came up with a trait to extend the builder exam. PR shows you how you can add custom methods. Okay. That's really nice. Maybe we can give this a try for Ratatouille at some point in the future, because we have like some builder type, I want to say builder type beat, but builder type API. I'm not sure if it's super consistent. Where are the widgets, bro? Where's the widgets? No, I want to see the widgets. Widgets. And we have simply like some builder stuff. I don't think this is like super consistent, because I realized recently some methods have the new some structs have the new method and some of them have default. So, you know, but it's cool nevertheless. I'm gonna check it out. I watched the PR. I'm gonna see. I think I know this project comes up a lot in the live streams, but Takion FX uses Spawn, right? And I saw you or someone else like requested some feedback already. Yeah, that's you. Maybe taking a look at this project again would be a nice idea, because I think this project uses it extensively. Ratatouille uses builders, although manual. The cool thing about Bone is that it does validation of required members at the compile time. It also improves docs a lot there. Generic chunks. That's very cool. We might talk about it actually. Feel free to create a discussion or issue in Ratatouille, and we might consider like ups and downs and see if it might or might not work. I mean, it's not a problem that we currently have, but I mean, it's always nice to improve things, right? I wish Josh was here. I'm not sure if he is still watching. He probably have more opinions there. Yep, definitely go ahead, by the way. Definitely bring it up. Hey Josh, what do you think about Bomb? I'm gonna follow you, man. You have just one Rust project and it has 1k stars. Are you real, man? I'm gonna stalk you right now. Rustlang, you contribute to Rustlang, alright, 07 for that. Microsoft, Windows user spotted. I don't know what this is. Something, I don't know. Okay, what you doing? Let's check out your Twitter. Backwards compatibility is the key. Haven't checked out Bone yet. Maintainers was great. Alright, I'm gonna follow you. You got 21 followers now. How you feeling, man? I'm gonna. You have a blog too? Using some form of builder approach would be generally nice. We could probably get there pretty easily with something like what's LSTO? It sounds like a cloud project to me. LSTO software. Are you hiring, by the way? Can I join your company, please? AI powered security. All right, I was not really expecting to see this. I was thinking more like a, yeah, okay, cloud platform, of course. Where's the LinkedIn page? Where's LinkedIn? LinkedIn. Paragraph builder, whatever build, it doesn't really add a huge amount of benefit over what we have already. Yeah, that's why I said, you know, we should discuss it probably, because this is not like a existing problem. This I mean, our API pretty much works. So what's the point of changing it? We gotta check it out. LST is just my day job, no hiring yet. If you're hiring, let me know, dude. Tory is now stable, by the way. What do you guys think? Tory. I want to actually celebrate this. Give them a congrats. What they said? Noise. Understand you have a good API, so Bone, maybe just overhead. I mean, either way, I want to check it up, check Bone out for other stuff. Wait, let me think actually. Do I have any use case for Bone right now? Oh damn, Tory does announcements on LinkedIn. Well, this is not like Tory itself, it's just Tory's CEO or something. Probably, yeah, the founder. But yeah, they do. I mean, I do announcements on LinkedIn too. LinkedIn is just business opportunity, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna dox my LinkedIn page that much, like but we just this feels like Facebook. Like, what's the difference between Facebook and LinkedIn? Like, it's literally Facebook, isn't it? Transistor, are you on LinkedIn? Transistoric. I don't think you're using your internet name over LinkedIn, so you're not probably. Do you have a job? My job is to work on open source these days. Why do I use LinkedIn? Because business opportunity? No, it's because of these pages that I run. We have like 1.2k followers on LinkedIn. Like, why, dude? I don't really get it, but kind of works, you know. I run these stuff, I post on LinkedIn. I have premium. I have LinkedIn premium for some reason. Let's see my premium features. Doesn't really bring any benefits to the table, but it's cool, you know. You have the golden stuff everywhere. Feels like I'm important or something. But yeah, I mean, LinkedIn is just LinkedIn. Did you guys saw my meme today? I'm really working on my meme game. It's actually hold on. These days my LinkedIn account might be just to follow Ratatouille business opportunity. Just to follow Ratatouille, man. So double-ended iterator. It's actually implemented on Ratatouille on something, and you know, that just inspired this meme, because I was like, what the hell is double-ended iterator? I never heard of this, and then I saw that it's actually something in Rust, and it works quite well. So yeah, I just made this meme out of a Ratatouille PR. We can merge this, by the way. We can add this to milestone. Where is it? Let's add this to the next release. It's because you skipped the Rust book. Did you hear about exact size? No, I don't know about that thing as well. Are you using a virtual machine for Arch? Are you running it on your personal machine? I'm running it on my personal machine. No dual boot, no VMs, nothing. We just I just slapped Arch on the SSD. How can I see the other iterations? Okay, double-ended iterate exact size. I mean, I know the rest. I just missed those two things. It's fine, dude. Right? I mean, it should be fine. Please tell me that it's okay. You learn something new every day. There's no shame in that. Alright, it's getting late. I wanna just chill. Maybe no more coding or maintenance. Sorry for disappointing you by saying that, but I'm not sure what to work on right now. I mean, I need to finish git-cliff-tui. By finish, I mean just, you know, add some documentation and figure out a way to execute it from the exact, like from the command line, because I don't want to like package it under binary. I want to make it available somehow in the same binary if possible. I don't know, let's see. Really cool stream about it's very flat and that dives into double-ended iterator. And the problem of lack of type specialization in Rust. Interesting. I want to actually look it up. Hold on. Double-ended iterator. This one.
It's time for another.
That's some compiler SDLib working on working group type theory magics. Yeah, this one. I'm actually going to save this.
That into an iterator, and this is going to be the next inner iterator. So now we need to store that somewhere, right? So we can do self.inner equals sum of next
All right. Thanks for sharing, by the way. So, I put gaming in the title of the stream. Should we play a game now? Are you guys feeling like watching me play something? I'm just looking at something to see if I still have the game. What games do you play? You're about to find out. Turn the lights on. Exactly, bro. I gotta do that. A good idea. So we gotta. Is it working? Come on. Is it kind of flickering a bit? By the way, little merch plug right there. Opensource World Tour. If you want this T-shirt, you can buy it from my merch shop, which will be available next year or something. Keep an eye on that. Still trying to lights. I don't know why it's not. It's not working. I play corporate games. And thank goodness you're here for some British loss. Thank goodness you're here. Why is it not working, dude? For some reason this is not. This is broken again. Wait, what happens if I... Technical difficulties, oh my god, that's super bad. Hello, quick question. How did you start maintaining Arch packages? And if you want to join, how would you go about it? Okay, so let me just show you. So there, like, so you can either maintain stuff in the AUR as a user, or if you want to be like a official maintainer to maintain stuff in the like repos like extra and core and stuff like that, you need to apply for becoming a package maintainer. And this happens basically via sending an email to the mailing list and finding some sponsors and introducing yourself, and people will vote for you, and if you're selected, you become an official member of the team, and you will have access to repositories. You can build binary packages and so on. My application was simply, let me try to find a trusted user application, Orhun. Yeah, so this is my application. 2020 December. So I just basically introduced myself, my experience, my projects at the time, and this is how can I help the project. Basically, my sponsors are these people. Shout out to Sven and Anthrax for sponsoring me, making all of this possible today. Really cool people. And then basically you send this email, and yeah, I mean, you send this email to the mailing list after you get your sponsors. You know, you talk to them, you try to figure out how to introduce yourself and on which parts you want to like work on and stuff like that, basically. And then trying to fix the light over there. It's not working. I'm sorry. For some reason I just broke this. Gotta move on with the slide. Sorry. Anyways, yeah. Basically, this is what I did, and I was already maintaining like 100 packages in the AUR at that point, so I had a reliable package maintenance CV, so that helped me. And then, you know, I basically said, hey, I want to maintain Rust stuff, and I got like selected, or just, you know, they voted for me, and the majority of the team liked me, I guess, if that's the right word. And I got like I became a member of the team. So there's actually a blog post about my first month as an Archlinks trusted user. It was called trusted user back then, now it's called package maintainer. And my first month I basically like added a bunch of stuff to the binary repositories, and also I made some mistakes. For example, I built the wrong version of PyCharm and I pushed it to the repos without checking it, and some people were like, why the fuck this is being built, like this is beta, why did you build this? And I didn't know what to do, so I basically rebuilt the package and then pushed the correct version and closed the bug report. Shit happens. I was just super beginner to this, so whatever. Anything for that speed. I maintain Arch packages, by the way. Hell yeah, man. You gotta do that thing. If you're using Arch, it's super basic, like super easy to contribute actually. So it's just a push, yeah. What else did I do in this period? Yeah, basically that's how I made it happen. A package maintainer can break my whole system, exactly. That's why You gotta. That's why it was called trusted user. You know, you gotta trust them. And they actually changed this. So if you become a trusted user or like a package maintainer, you cannot push to the repos for a while until you learn certain things. And back then, as long as you're trusted and as long as you have your signing key, you could push. But now this is not possible, so it's fine. Trusted backdoor provider, exactly. That's what I am, dude. Shouldn't it be like CI doing like it like next? We are working on that. By the way, regarding games, did you see Tiny Glade? Tiny Glade, no. Tiny Glade. Looks cool. My GPU won't love this game though. Looks like high graphics. But oh wow, these graphics are nice and the game looks. I don't know what's the game here, but graphics are nice. So if you're just starting, it's good to start from the AUR to get experience. Yes, you can basically build your favorite tools or whatever and then push them to AUR. Some people will give you feedback, probably. You can improve your package builds based on that, and then after some time you'll have enough experience and you'll probably meet some official package maintainers. Try to have some contact with them, get some feedback, and ask for sponsorship when you're ready, and then send your application. You'll probably get selected, so don't worry about it. So yeah, it's a game that uses Bevy. Oh wow, this is made with Bevy. Respect that, dude. Is it open source? GitHub, come on, make it open source. Nah. Alright, Tiny Blade is Rust, by the way. Very nice. The Reddit post on Rust subreddit for Tiny Blade got like 1k, like, ooh. That's a lot. Where is it? It looks super cool though. That's you, man. I might give this a try. What's the price? Tell me the price. Tell me the price. There's a price for everything. There's $6. $6. I'm gonna buy the bundle, bruh. I'm gonna buy the bundle to support these guys. Cozy contrasts collection. I'm gonna buy whatever that is. Like, I'll buy the freaking most expensive one. Okay, what's the game, by the way? Oh, I saw this. Oh, okay, I remember it. Yeah, I saw this like a couple of months ago, and I was actually very excited. This shit is super cool, man. Wow. Is it only on Windows? No, works on Ubuntu. Very nice shit. Love it. Good project. It's just a chill, build your own lo-fi landscape. Yeah. That's super cool. You haven't seen the game yet. I'm not sure my GPU will like this though. I should ask my GPU first. Oh, very nice. Is it packaged for Arch already? I'm just kidding. Okay guys, I'll find this game. Give me a second. It's in my games folder. Alright. My garbage laptop won't run the demo in anything above medium graphics. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have also a garbage-ish laptop. I don't know why the sound isn't working right now. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Maybe we can try the other one. There's no sound on this. You guys hear something? No. It's not working. Nice. There's no music. What's the point? Is anyone in the chat remember the Flash games? At least it's not Z, a text editor that requires Vulkan. Yeah. Does anyone remember the Flash games? Like the legendary stuff. Does anyone know this game? I want to play this game on my browser. It's using Ruffle. Probably won't work. It's actually working. But I feel like it might crash any moment. Action script games. Alright, full screen. I'm gonna boost the audio so that you'll hear the great music. We're gonna play this game, dude. Hide this bar. I don't want to see this bar. Alright. Full screen, gaming mode. I don't have the lights, like background shit, sorry. You probably hear this super cool sound effects. I might actually tweak that a little bit. Yeah, fancy pants. Yeah, I mean, this is kinda old. I really like this game. Sometimes I play it and one of those times. Gamer night. Of course I'm gonna play Flash games. I'm not gonna play some I don't know. Alright guys, this is The Real Gaming. Welcome to my gaming channel. This is like a joke. I'm actually really good at this game, believe it or not. I mean, I can probably speedrun it if I can remember the map. It's like super easy to play, but what is speedrunning fancy pants like? I actually texted the maker of this game. I think it was on LinkedIn. Kinda personally thanked him for making this game. I know it sounds a bit gay, but whatever. You know, childhood memories, dude. That's important. Can we buy Sonic? We have Sonic at home. I have like... I really suck at this game anyway. I have some like CDs, like I don't know what they're called, like CD games, like whatever, from back in the day. I still have them in my somewhere in my room. I have Sonic there as well. I might play it someday. This is real gaming, whatever. Like, if you play, you can actually play Minecraft too. You might be asking, when did this channel become a gaming channel? It was my plan all along. Like, I just want to have 10 people in the stream, and then one day I just wanted to pivot to gaming, and then stream this game. That was my master plan, and it worked. Now 12 people watching me play this game, and I'm like having so much fun. You know, the first game does not really have like much in it. It's just super simple, almost feels like hand drawn because that's the theme. But the background's also like kind of hand drawn. But in that sense, it's a bit like empty. By the way, that was, if I remember correctly, that was one way to change the color of the plants. The problem with the first game is there's no like story or anything. I just died. So you're just going like straight and try to find the door or something. It doesn't really have much in it. Oh well, that was kind of sick. Or die. Actually, do we have like the third game or something over here? Okay, rolled 4. Okay, I actually never played this. I'm kind of curious. And I was surprised that Ruffle actually works this fine. I was not really expecting it. Play the full release. It's on Steam. The sound from the game was also a bit too loud. Okay, thanks for the feedback. I'm gonna fix it. Yeah, Ruffle is Rust. I sponsored them on GitHub for $1 per month. That's enough for me to play this, I guess. Come on, it's super slow. Do I still sponsor them, by the way? At some point I was sponsoring them. Is it Ruffle? No. Ruffle RS? Yeah, I'm still sponsoring them. Yeah. You know, they know about the marketing moves. They have a TikTok account. Like, literally, if you go to TikTok/RuffleRS, they have some TikToks there. They have actually like some views on these as well, like 3K views. Someone in the company is having so much fun with these TikToks. Late for the stream, but here to say that you're awesome, one of the best Rusted. Much appreciate all your effort, project you. Thanks, man. That really means a lot to me. Thanks for your comment. But right now, it's like a weird time to say that because I'm not really doing any Rust. I'm just taking a look at TikToks. But thanks. There's restoring the community's favorite Flash games. Those TikToks were just mid, bro. Right, we have actually a storyline maybe in this one. Something is happening. The graphics are improved. Super slow though. Kinda laggy, but it's fine. Wow, it's taking so much time to load for some reason. What is it loading? Fancy pants iceberg video incoming. Actually, that's a really good idea. If someone already made that happen, I'm gonna check YouTube. I don't think no one did. Wait, I'm gonna check on my phone. There's one. The Fancy Pants speedrunning iceberg explained, and there's another one in Spanish. Okay, I didn't know. Does Ruffle imply that people will still create Flash games? That's a good question. I'm gonna go with red pants. Okay, how can I resume this? Wow, this is super slow though. Why is it so slow? Level 1 Fancy Pants is an actual take eye Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, that's some hot take. Is it it's so slow, I cannot really play this. I need to find another way to play this. Maybe I should download it. Or with Steam or something. Is there like third game? I want to play the third game. Third game was good. Maybe people like still create Flash games because I mean there are like a lot of developers out there, like OG game devs who used Flash in the past, and Ruffle makes it possible to run them. We can probably check out the Ruffle examples or some documentation. Don't talk to me or my unoptimized Flash code ever again. Maybe they have like a showcase or something. Like a list of apps. I want to see the list of apps. Actually, there should be some like Ruffle awesome something maybe. No? Like I want to see the games that are made with Flash that like after Ruffle. I don't want to see the old Flash games. I want to see the new stuff. How can I find that? Anyways, never mind. The king, he needs you. Angry bathtub pirates have commanded the royal tub. He needs you right away. Come on, jump out of the bed. Backflip, backflip. Alright, let's go. Before you gotta look in the new ground. XXX sections. Listen up, pants man. I maybe. How's the game audio, by the way? Is it good or bad? Let me know. First things first, press S to jump. That's easy. Man, I'm really good at this game. Look at me. I played this probably 100 times. Hell yeah. I don't need any tutorials for this. No tutorials needed. Level select, no, just start the game already. Why don't mayors... Okay, I couldn't read it. The king is waiting at the foot of the tub. Mayor. Wait, okay, let's if I remember correctly, there was one like some Easter egg type of thing over there. But I'm not really sure. Anyways, we can just go. I mean, guys, compare this with the first game. Like, it has so many new things, and the graphics and everything is better. Okay, let me try to complete this. I just missed like 3 or anyways. Really like the graphics in this one. I mean, not because they're like it's super simple. Also like how you can just jump, and then that's the only like functionality of this thing, you know? Like there's no other like key press, just S. I just press S and arrow keys. No Vim key bindings, so that's kind of sad, but whatever. I'm just gonna let it be like that just for once. Okay, what's this? Hold down while running into slide. Okay. What is this guy doing? It has something with being awesome. I need to go into my mom's high-tech laboratory and beat my babysitter. What? I mean, my last test. What? Okay, let's do that. Whatever that is. I'm trying to repress the memory of the Fancy Pants remake on stream. What is this? What did I just get into? What am I doing right now? I don't read it. Too much side quests. I don't like this. I'm just gonna continue with the main story. Whatever. Shut up, man. I don't care about you. Whoa, what the hell was that? Yeah, whatever. I wonder what the guy who made this game is doing right now. I'm really curious. I'm gonna stalk him after I'm done with the game. That way, okay. Noble man of pants, this is a disaster of unnatural proportions. Those disorderly pirates have commanded the pride of entire kingdom. The pinnacle of a rub-a-dub magnum opus, a bubble battering my royal bathtub. King size, of course. To her as a king, I have so many places to sit today. I mean, why do I care about your bathtub while trolling the royal forums? What? You gonna say something else? While commenting on my peasants' not-so-royal statuses. On the royal throne. On a royal sofa. What do you think about Helix, by the way? Did you try it? I guess you do, in theory. Could replace Anvil. I like Helix. I maintain it for Arch. I try it out sometimes when I need to edit some file, something, you know, instead of running Anvim. But the issue that I have with Helix is that it does not have an integrated terminal, so you have to use a multiplexer. Whereas I can just use the integrated terminal on NeoVim. Also, it doesn't have a Railtop is a pirate or happy free zone. No pirates or hippies beyond this point. Okay. And also, there's like no file explorer. I really like file explorers in editors. Again, I need to use use a multiplexer in order to have that in Helix, which I don't like that much, you know, it means extra setup. I looked into Zellish and Helix integration. There's one project which kind of does what I want, but again, like it's a bit of work to set it up. I'm not really talking about compatibility with new feature, like new releases of Helix and Zellish. So it's like a bit of work, and I don't really like that, so I just stick to Nailvim. But if there was 3 things, first, integrated terminal. Oh, I like the swim mechanics in the game, like super cool. Oh, I love this game. If there was like integrated terminal, file explorer, and a plugin system in Helix, I would use it. Basically, yeah, plugin system, exactly. Oh, what did I do? Oh, okay. How do I go back? Do I jump? Okay. I mean, I don't like Neovim that much because I use. Wait, hold on. Why are we interfering with my series priority business? My beautiful plans, and they were so devious this time too. Well, at least I got the crew to take a bath. Worst captain ever. Just follow this guy. That little girl pawned the captain. Hey man, wake up. What I was saying, I kinda forget what I was saying. So I don't like Neovim because I'm using Astro and Vim, which have breaking changes every other release. So yeah, I need to deal with that. Big brother, help, I've been kidnapped by pirates, they smell funny. I mean, we were just here, I could probably just catch up to them if I just run. But for some reason they just disappeared anyways. Do you use Zellish or any other editor? If so, you can give me some tips about setting it up maybe. But I already kinda came this way, but this mouse is shooting stuff. Where do I need to go? Stop shooting, man. Easy. No, not that easy. How do I do this? Oh. You almost got me there. Okay, that was unpleasant. That was unpleasant. 3-4 years on Neovim, now 1 year on Helix, Zelij, Yazi, and not that hard to set up. But it's better to wait for a plugin system and have those integrated instead of making hacks. Yeah, there was what was the name? Zelij Helix something. Are you using that one, or are you using something else for? I mean, I'm not sure if you have like integrated terminal or text editor or something, or you're just using other terminals to kind of satisfy that. But yeah, I guess it's better to wait. I mean, I've been waiting for some time at this point. I mean, it's been at least 2 years since I was aware of Helix. Actually, other terminals. Get used to row stacked Windows on i3 now. Wait, got it. I also use i3. Also, like, I have a question. So now that I use i3, who is this guy? Just jump on him and kick him ass. Kick his ass. So you know, now that I have i3 and like I can just move windows around. I have stacked terminals and so on. Does that really make sense to use a multiplexer? Because you know, you can just use like vertical layout or whatever, and then like have two terminals side to side. That's basically what a multiplexer is doing, right? I mean, in essence, I mean, you know, you want to have multiple terminals in the same view. That's possible with multiplexer, but also by using i3, you can like achieve the same thing pretty easily. So I just do that. That's why I don't really use a multiplexer in my workflow, but I use it for so basically I define some layouts and then I give them to multiplexer, and then I run some applications and so on. But I don't really use it while, you know, doing stuff. I was just wondering about your take on it. Personally, I like the multiplexer to handle things, single responsibility style. Now I'm using multiplex only when SSH to server. Yeah, you know, I can basically show you what I mean, but I'm like super busy with this game. But I guess you get what I mean. Also, I use the multiplexer for SSH too. Where am I supposed to go? Here? I remember there was some beach type place where you can just swim. I'm just trying to go there probably. I mean, what am I doing right now? I feel like I'm not going to the correct... What the hell? What's the matter? You never seen a flying squirrel before? What you gonna do for me? Okay. No, I'm not. I don't want side quests. I want to just go wherever I'm supposed to go. Oh, there's one lake type place. This guy has very nice swimming skills and backflip skills. I look up to him. I want to be like him one day, but except I don't have that hair. I need to get a hair transplant in Turkey. Also, orange shorts. His fancy pants first in the Metro and the Wii game confirmed. Oh, cave story release date. I'm not sure. For some reason, the sound just sometimes glitches. Oh yeah, going to the beach. There you go, guys. Rust developers. You know, we got a crap. I'm gonna kick his ass. Go away, Rust developers. I don't want to see y'all. You're always wearing a cap. Never saw your haircut. You're never gonna see it, man. If you join my OnlyFans, you're gonna see it. In other words, get up sponsors. That's what I do. I just reveal my hair to my sponsors. Just kidding. Haircuts reveal when there's no hair, bro. So there's no haircut, but maybe soon. I need to get a really good like hair transplant and then or something. You know, Turkey is kind of famous for that. Everyone's getting transplants. But I might reveal my hair one day. I think I'm just gonna play for 5 more minutes and I'm just gonna stalk the guy who made this game. Actually, I can just do it now. I think his name was Brad Bourne. Hold on, let me just Brad Bourne. When I was in Turkey, I was expecting to see everyone drinking coffee, but everyone was drinking tea with small cups and smoking. Yeah, that's something that we do. I don't smoke though, don't worry. Living healthy. This is the guy who made the game. He is already in my network. You just look at this guy, like independent game developer and lead animator for 17 years, like. Can we get just W's in the chat for this guy? W's in the chat. No, I'm not connected. Okay, I'm just gonna connect this guy. Send without a note. How can I get like the latest updates? Radborn W. What is this guy doing these days? Four years ago. Subscribe, bro. Maybe I can find him on Twitter. Redborn. Got the physical version of first time after writing. Do you guys know this guy? Brad Bourne. He's not super active. I'm following him. I think I commented here. Yeah. It's one of my heroes, man. Childhood heroes, you know? My hairline is receding. What the hell? Git status. Nice meme. Do we get extra course credits for knowing Rio? Yeah. You got the street credits from me. You know? What is this, by the way? This is WebAssembly something. WebAssembly, probably some WebAssembly book. That guy is huge in WebAssembly actually. He was in the working group or some stuff. Do you know you could implement a foreign trait on a foreign type in Rust? Wait, foreign trait on a foreign type. Interesting, I didn't know that. Is that really possible? Haram. Imagine, okay, you know what? Do you guys know this meme? Top, I think it was one of the top ones. Come on. It shouldn't be possible. Okay, not today, but all time. Imagine Rust compiler just saying haram instead of saying something technical. That would be pretty funny actually. I might actually make a meme out of this. Okay, how can I hold on. I'm gonna this is not real, of course. Rust. Okay, actually, let's just try something. I'm thinking, oh my god, I'm getting so sleepy, so I can't really think straight right now, but you can already tell that I'm so sleepy. Cargo mommy probably can be configured for memes. Yeah, good idea. Cargo mommy. But this is not what I want. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Something like, okay, I want to implement a trait on I'm not sure. Let's try something like ratatouille, and then trait whatever string, and then can I implement this on whatever for ratatouille? Okay, ratatouille layout flex. Can I do this? Can do this. Okay, how do I get an error here? And I want to get an error. Okay, foreign trait for foreign type. Okay, so ChatGPT, give me an example of implementing a foreign trait on a foreign type in Rust. Okay, so I need to create two crates, and then that's a lot of work. I'm too lazy right now for that. Instead, I'm just gonna do some like something like this, cargo built. Okay, how do I get an error? I want to get an error message, like an actual error message. I cannot really think of a case where I would get that error message right now. Rust implement on foreign type. Okay, I want to see the error message, yes. The playground. Oh, okay. So if I have a... Yeah, then I can just try. Try this too, probably. Okay, that worked, thank you. Okay, so what I want to do is... Yeah, this is what I want to see in the next version of Rust. You know, these error messages would be nice. What else? Guys, help me craft this meme. Ain't gonna happen. Turkish Rusty localization, yeah. Alright, good enough. Just making memes at this point. I'm really feeling good about this meme. Do you think it's funny, or should I just quit? Gonna boost in Mastodon so hard. Hell yeah. I'm right now doing something that I will probably regret in the morning, but it is what it is, guys. These Rust compiler errors are getting out of hand. Maybe the second one is a bit too much, but okay, you know what? Maybe I can just change this to something else. I'm gonna get cancelled. whatever, dude. YOLO. Just gonna share it. I'm not gonna share it on LinkedIn though. I'll give it like anyway. What do you mean anyway? What do you mean by that? Anyways, I'm just gonna go to bed. Guys, thanks for tuning in. It was a nice stream. I don't know. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. Again, Transhistoric. We Taha. What's your name, by the way? Ren. Bernbay. Walls. Josh. Yzemon. YRN. Emre. You know. Shout out to everyone who joined. Italy? I checked RFC, basically it's possible that, wait, true local type, okay. My brain is now operating at high speed right now, so I don't understand. But it's cool that it's possible. Alright guys. See you in the next stream, I guess. Stay tuned. I'm working on stuff. We're gonna make cool stuff happen together. We're gonna make a lot of memes. So yeah, I'm trying to schedule these streams so you will get notified on YouTube. And I will look into streaming on Twitch as well. But for now, I guess, take care, everybody. If you have any last words, it's the time that you say them. Because otherwise, I'm just gonna go. And yeah, good night, everybody, and good day if you're in another time zone. And yeah, take care, take it easy. Yeah, bye. And you're a legend if you're still watching. Anyways, good night.